And welcome to Data Savvy with Ux. So here we are with an interesting fact. So I was just running around certain things while I was working in my office on SSMS. So I was handed over a new database and certain columns need to be updated. I was not aware of that database at all. I didn't know which tables are there, which columns are there, and I was supposed to update one of the columns in one of the tables in that database. So how to find out? There were like 10, 20, 30 columns in in that database, and how to find out which column is in which table that I need to update it. So I devised a query around it. So I would like to share that query with you. It's a fun fact. You can take it as a note for yourself. You can find the query in the description also. I'm sharing the query here on the screen with you guys. So this query works fine when you're working on SSMS. So it's basically nothing. It's just a like expression. So it's a column name. You are searching on column name. You'll get a column name. You'll get a table name. So a table name in which that column is present in that particular database. So you are using sys library over here. So you have to use sys.columns. You're joining it on all the tables in the database on an object ID. And here's the key part. So here you put in the name of the table. So it's a like expression, just like and regular expression. So you have to put a keyword, a part of your table name. Let's say the table name is emp ID or emp name, or let's say payment done to customer or a phone number. So something like that. Let's say vendor ID or vendor name, vendor address, vendor something. So you can just put in vendor over here and you'll get all the tables. Once you'll run this, you'll get all the tables that have vendor as a ID in it. So isn't that interesting? So rather than hassling around looking manually in all the tables, you can just use this simple query on Microsoft SQL Server. This is not my office laptop, so I couldn't show you on SSMS, but I'll try to put up a screenshot of it and share it with you in the next video so that I can explain it. But this is a small hack that you can use to find out that which tables have that particular column, starting with that column, and you can go ahead and update and find that column in a particular table in a database. So you'll get list of all the columns that have that part of the column name in it along with the table name. So isn't that interesting? So that's how you can go ahead and play around with these things. And do follow my channel Data Savvy with Ux. We make videos on Python and SQL. I'm a trainer. I'm a part-time trainer. I'm basically an IT engineer, so I'm doing a freelancing. I teach students because I find it interesting to teach them SQL and Python. So do follow this channel and do subscribe to this channel. Share this video as much as possible if you like it. Thank you. I'm putting the query in the description as well. Thanks a lot.